Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I want to surprise you not with a Halloween look but a recreation of the Erin Parsons 90s look, which actually was part of her Halloween looks. No idea why, because it's such a beautiful, such a natural makeup look that you can wear every day to make yourself beauty. I have already had half a liter of water this morning, and next step would be putting loads of moisturizing cream. In my case, I'm gonna use the Reboost for CLARINS and continue with the makeup look. After I moisturize my skin very well, I am going to use the lightest possible makeup foundation. So again, Giorgio Armani, and I'm gonna use a brush this time, do a couple of pumps on my palm, and I don't want to cover completely my face because my skin on the side is good enough, so I just want to highlight these areas and the ones that have more of a reddish color. And again, use Charlotte Tilbury's very fine powder to set. Once I have the base ready, I'm gonna continue with my eyebrows. So I'm gonna use the DIORSHOW eyebrow pencil just to do the arch. The arch is meant to be very sharp and very pointy, so also needs to be as high as possible, so we kind of create this fake lift of your face. And I'm gonna draw the arch and then keep filling with a little bit of eyeshadow. So to fill in the eyebrows, I'm gonna use this color right here and in a mixture with this color. I want very, very defined eyebrows, as this was one of the characteristics of the 90s makeup. And when I'm finished with this Brooke Shields eyebrows, I am going to create this fake crease. The technique that I'm going to use is slightly different from what Erin Parsons used. I am going to use a cream eyeliner and the brush, kind of a brownish cream eyeliner. It doesn't matter what the eyeliner is, you can actually use a brown pencil. And at the same time, because this is drying very fast, I want to use the Smudger Brush and draw a line inside your crease. And this is how it looks, which gives you already this very defined cut crease. So I'm just gonna continue with a black liner or a black pencil. In my case, it's the Bedroom Black from Charlotte Tilbury, and just go on top of my lash. As you can see, the look so far looks already very Cindy, very Christy Turlington, but we will keep on going and keep on building the colors. And I will use these two palettes for the colors. The first eyeshadow that I want to use will be from the Candeur and Experience palette by Chanel, and I'm gonna use this color right here to blend and extend. I want to use a slightly different technique, so in order to do that, I'm going to use the Painterly by MAC, which looks like this, and with a flat brush. I'm going to use a color that is more of a reddish color, like this. So it's a brown but with a reddish undertone. I want to use now this color right here. I can take a little bit of light color with a shimmer. I'm gonna use this one from this CLARINS old palette, but you can use any shimmer one, and then just go on top and kind of blend with the rest. Once done, I want to take this matte, very light color from the Christian Dior palette, the nudes, and again with a flat brush, highlight this area. Up next, I am going to take the Hyperblack Chanel Calligraphie. I'm going to curl my lashes and use loads of mascara, and in my case I want to use the DIORSHOW New Look mascara and build a lot of it, a lot. Make sure also to add a black liner or a black pencil underneath your lashes so that there's no white stains and spots and all looks very smooth. I'm gonna continue with the lip liner and the lipstick. As you might have probably know, they were using a little bit darker lip liner and very shiny light lipstick. I don't have that very shiny light lipstick anymore. They don't sell it anywhere anymore. But I found a lip liner from Givenchy that is kind of having the same shade and shine. So I'm gonna try just to line the mouth first with a little bit darker color. That might be 01 or 03 from 17. Then I'm gonna try to buff it out and then add this color. I'm going to try the same technique and try to a little bit blend the color with and fade it down with foundation. I am going to use this Givenchy color 11, which I'm not sure it exists anymore. Okay, now that I'm using a definitely lighter color on my lips, I can do this trick. So you draw like a line here and you draw two lines here with a slightly darker color. And if you use the trick with the brown eyeshadow, so in my case I will use this lighter one, and then tap it on top. You can also use the brown shadow and highlight the areas that we already highlighted. And this is how it's gonna look like. And up next, highlighter, contouring, and a nude blush. And I'm gonna take from the darker color of the Charlotte Tilbury and build loads. A nude color blush, which in my case I'm gonna use the Cashmere Pressed Blush Pink Lilly. And that's it, guys. That's the final look and my interpretation of the 90s supermodel look. If you liked the video, please give your big thumbs up, and you can see more of these videos and more tips if you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching today, and bye bye.